Welcome to Houselux Estate, your trusted guide to achieving financial independence while living a nomadic lifestyle. We're all about equipping you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the financial landscape as a digital nomad. It's no secret that the world is becoming more digitally interconnected, and with that comes the rise of digital nomads, individuals who leverage technology to work remotely and live an independent nomadic lifestyle. Yet this freedom also brings unique financial challenges. That's where we come in. Houselux Estate is dedicated to providing valuable information and actionable steps to help you plan for financial independence. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the essential steps of financial planning for digital nomads, from understanding your financial goals to creating a budget, diversifying your income streams, and investing for the future. Stick around to uncover the keys to planning for financial independence as a digital nomad. The journey to financial independence begins with understanding your financial goals. Imagine setting out on a journey without a destination in mind. You'd be wandering aimlessly, wouldn't you? The same principle applies to your financial journey. Without clear, achievable financial goals, you're essentially wandering through the financial wilderness. Defining your financial goals is the first step towards gaining control over your finances and achieving financial independence. Financial goals are like the roadmap of your financial journey. They provide direction and help you make informed decisions about your money. Whether you're planning to retire early, pay off your debt, or build an emergency fund, having a clear goal in mind will guide your financial planning and decision-making processes. Let's delve a little deeper into these different types of financial goals. Firstly, saving for retirement. This is a long-term goal that requires consistent savings and smart investment decisions over a significant period. Regardless of your current age, it's never too early to start planning for retirement. Secondly, paying off debt. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or a mortgage, paying off debt is a critical step towards financial independence. It frees up your income for other financial goals and reduces financial stress. Lastly, building an emergency fund. This is a short-term goal that provides a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or income loss. An emergency fund can be a lifesaver in times of financial uncertainty, giving you peace of mind and financial stability. However, remember that these are not the only financial goals. You might have other personal goals like saving for a dream vacation, buying a house, or starting a business. The key is to identify what's important to you and create a plan to achieve those goals. The process of setting financial goals requires introspection and honesty with yourself. It's about understanding your current financial situation, envisioning your ideal financial future, and then bridging the gap between the two. Remember, your financial goals are the compass that guides your journey to financial independence. Once you've set your financial goals, it's time to create a budget. Now, I know the word budget might sound like a chore, like doing laundry or cleaning out your inbox, but trust me, it's the lifeblood of your financial independence. Budgeting is essentially the art of controlling your financial future. It's about understanding where your money comes from, where it goes, and most importantly, how you can better direct it towards achieving your goals. So how do you create a budget? Well, it's simpler than you may think. Start by calculating your total income. This could be from your job, your side gigs, or any other sources. Be sure to account for every penny, because in the grand scheme of things, every penny counts. Next, list out your expenses. These can be broken down into fixed expenses, things like rent, utilities, and subscriptions, and variable expenses, things like groceries, entertainment, and travel. Remember, as a digital nomad, your cost of living might change depending on your location. So it's a good idea to research and factor in these costs when planning your budget. Once you have your income and expenses laid out, subtract your expenses from your income. This is your net income. If you're left with a positive number, that's great. You're living within your means. But if it's a negative number, don't panic. It's just a sign that some adjustments are needed. Now here's the crucial part: savings. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. This might sound like a lot, but remember, this is what's going to fuel your journey towards financial independence. And if 20% seems daunting, start with what you can and gradually increase it over time. Finally, review your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regular reviews will help you stay on track and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. That's how you create a budget that reflects your income, expenses, and savings. A well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial independence. Remember, it's not about restricting your spending, but about making your money work for you. So go ahead, take control of your financial future. Diversifying your income streams is crucial to achieving financial independence as a digital nomad. When we talk about diversification, we're talking about not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about creating multiple income streams for yourself. You see, relying on a single source of income can be risky. What if that one source dries up? What then? Diversification is your safety net. It provides increased financial security because if one source of income takes a hit, you have others to fall back on. So how can you as a digital nomad diversify your income? Well, let's start with freelancing. It's a popular choice among digital nomads. You can offer your skills and services online and work with clients from all over the world. You're not tied to a specific location or working hours, giving you the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want. Next, consider investing. It's a long-term strategy that can provide you with a passive income over time. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrency. Remember though, investing comes with its own set of risks, so be sure to do your research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Finally, think about starting a side business. It could be anything from selling handmade crafts to offering online coaching or courses. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that it can turn into a full-time gig if it takes off. Now, the beauty of diversification is not only in the financial security it provides, but also in the opportunities for growth it presents. With multiple income streams, you can experiment, learn, and grow. You can take risks with one income stream because you have others to fall back on. You can explore new avenues and discover your potential. Remember, the goal here is not just to survive, but to thrive. And with diversified income streams, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial independence. True financial freedom lies not just in earning, but also in growing your money. Investing offers a pathway to that growth, a way to put your money to work. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a tree over time. It's an essential part of your financial independence journey. Let's break it down. At its core, investing is about buying assets that you believe will increase in value over time. These assets could be anything from stocks and bonds to real estate. As digital nomads, we have the unique advantage of being able to tap into global markets, to cherry-pick the best opportunities from around the world. Take stocks, for instance. As a stockholder, you own a piece of a company. As the company grows and prospers, so does your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans you give to companies or governments. In return, they pay you interest over a fixed period and return the principal when the bond matures. Real estate is another compelling option. With the advent of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, you can invest in high-quality real estate worldwide without the hassles of property management. But remember, all investments carry risk. That's why diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help cushion the blow if one of them takes a hit. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's a long-term game. The earlier you start, the more time you give your investments to grow. Even small, regular investments can snowball into a significant sum over time thanks to the magic of compounding. And finally, consistency is crucial. Regular, disciplined investing, regardless of market conditions, can help smooth out the highs and lows and lead to substantial growth over time. So, whether you choose stocks, bonds, real estate, or a mix of these, remember that investing is your ticket to long-term financial independence. It's the seed you plant today for a financially secure tomorrow. Investing is your ticket to long-term financial independence. Achieving financial independence as a digital nomad is a journey, not a destination. We've explored a lot today, and each step we've discussed is crucial to embarking on this journey. Remember, understanding your financial goals is the compass guiding your journey. It's what will keep you on track when the path gets a little rocky. Creating a budget is your roadmap. It outlines your route, showing you where you need to save and where you can afford to spend a little. Diversifying income streams is like packing the right gear. It ensures you're prepared for anything that comes your way, giving you the flexibility to adapt to changing circumstances. And finally, investing for the future is your long-term vision. It's setting up camp for the night, knowing that you're one step closer to your destination. So why not start your journey towards financial independence today? Thank you for joining us at Houselux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving financial independence. Here's to your financial freedom.